I get there. Both of them are outside of that. Are you guys okay? Okay, I have 911. How are you doing? Are you just shaking up? Anybody else in the car? No? What?
Are you kidding me? You retarded me. If you feel it, get your hands in the air.
Amor, ¿cómo estás?
Bien, ¿tú?
Video evidence logged.
Emergency services after the countdown is 200.
Cause life is short and love is shorter. 100 miles that's cut a little more. So
Oh, what?
so why don't you do it?
Dude.
Yeah, why don't you do it? Why don't you do it?
Dude. Oh, I'm safe now.
Disruptive small companies could triumph, Allberg says. It wasn't the end of the world. We knew we had a challenge. Rebuffed, the Riggio brothers went home and started working.
Okay.
No, you didn't. You didn't.
You would adjust that sentence, wouldn't you?
I spiked the column and I fired the writer. It's so incredibly stupid. Come on, you have them patrolling the streets because you're hoping crime doesn't happen in the first place. Once the crimes happen, one that by definition is a failure,